morning, students. Today I'm here to teach you the diagrammatic representation of various diagrams from the chapter Teeth and Microbes. Before we begin the diagram learning part, let me just brief you up with the portion that we have studied in chapter number 3. We have studied that human lifetime has got only two types of teeth, the milk teeth and the permanent teeth. A baby is born without any teeth. The first tooth starts appearing at the age of 5 to 6 months. When the baby is about 3 years old, he or she gets about 20 teeth. Then slowly the replacing process starts and the milk teeth start being replaced by the permanent teeth. Now there are 4 different types of permanent teeth. I'm going to be teaching you the structure of the tooth, the 4 types of teeth, the kinds of teeth and the kinds of microbes which attack the teeth when you eat a lot of sweets. Then tooth decay is caused. I'll be explaining to you these few things while drawing the diagrams, and I'll be using various colors for particular kind of teeth so that you can identify the different types of teeth. So here we go. Now we begin with the kinds of teeth in a mouth, the incisors. We are going to draw now the 4 incisors. The incisors are the front teeth and they are used for cutting the food. They are 4 in number in each jaw. Total 8 are there in the mouth. Next we come to the canines. Let us mark here the incisors. These 4 are the incisors and I have shaded them pink color. Now I have drawn here the canines. Canines are known as staring teeth and they are found next to the incisors. They are quite sharp and pointed, also known as the cornerstone of the mouth, and are long and sharp in comparison to other teeth. Now here we draw 4 premolars on each side, 2 on each side of the canines. They are known as the crushing teeth. They are flat and wide. They help to crush the food. Next we are going to draw the molars. Molars are 3 on either side of the premolars. They are known as the grinding teeth. Grinding teeth are total 6 in number and there are 12 in the mouth. They are broad and they help to grind the food. They are found at the back of the mouth. They are 6 in each jaw, the molars. Now we are going to draw kinds of teeth separately. First is the incisor. You can see the canine looks quite pointed and long, and then we are going to draw the premolars and the molars. Now we are going to learn how to draw the structure of tooth. Draw 2 brackets, big brackets, and join the topmost part just like an M. Draw a curly M-like structure as a second layer and one more M-like structure inside it. So we have actually drawn 3 rather 4 M's, and I'm going to extend the line down, make another line and join at the bottom, and now draw another line upwards and draw a curve and bring it down. Next one more last curve we are going to draw and join below, and now we are going to draw the entire covering of the root portion. I hope you are able to understand and follow my steps. Have you seen how many lines I have drawn? Join at the top. This is the complete structure of tooth. Now I am drawing the bone portion, a rectangular line below which is covering the root portion. These I am drawing the red color blood vessels and blue color blood vessels I am going to draw. which are going inside the tooth area. Draw tiny branches. Only in the pulp area you have to draw, and in the gum portion you have to draw these blood vessels. Hope it is clear. Now you can shade the bone portion yellow. Yellow portion is the bone. As you can see, I have shaded the yellow portion is the bone portion. Now I will be shading the pulp area pink color, that is the pulp. Slowly and carefully we are shading the pulp area and the gum area pink color. Now I am going to take a yellowish color crayon and shade the dentine portion. This is the dentine portion that I am shading. We have labeled the topmost white portion, that is the crown. The crown is seen above the gum and it is white in color mostly. Below the crown is the neck, and the portion inside the gum, the long portion down, is known as the root. The crown is covered by a hard substance called enamel. Below the enamel is the next layer, that is known as dentine. Then below the dentine is the pink color portion, that is the pulp, and blood vessels are present inside the pulp. That yellow portion is the bone. Now we will be drawing the kinds of microbes which attack our teeth. There are 4 types of microbes. The first one that I am drawing is the bacteria. The bacteria are of different shapes and sizes also. These are, which I have drawn just now, are cylindrical, and now I am drawing like a wavy and curly shape. These are, I am going to draw them with a blue shade, with a blue sketch pen, and some are having round circular shape. Now we are going to draw the protozoa. This is a shape of an amoeba which is irregularly shaped. It has no regular shape. These protozoa live in, they can be found anywhere, in wet places, in the bodies of other animals. This is the paramecium. Its shape is just like a slipper. This is paramecium. Next we have the viruses. I'm going to draw the viruses. You can draw the virus in a hexagonal shape. You can see how I'm drawing. Draw a hexagon. Draw a cylinder below it with some lines in between. Draw its just like legs like structure, stand like structure in 3. And next you draw a circle. I'm sure you will be able to recognize this shape, this virus. What is it called? Coronavirus. Next we are going to draw the fungus or the fungi. Fungus is the singular and the plural is fungi. Fungi, you can see the examples are the bread molds. You can draw just like a plant, ribbon-like structure. It is a non-green plant. And you can draw, here it is completed, the fungus. Now let's wind up with a few tips to take care of our teeth. The first and very important tip is always rinse your mouth after eating a meal. Brush your teeth twice a day. Avoid eating too many sticky candies. I know it's very difficult to avoid the temptation. So at least we can do this, that whenever you feel the temptation to eat a candy, eat it before a meal. Avoid drinking too many fizzy drinks because they contain acid. That is not good for our teeth. Visit a dentist regularly in between 6 months. They are not as scary as they seem. If you follow these steps, I can guarantee that your teeth will be pearly white and healthy for a long time. Thank you.